Hello dear students, today we shall be learning about Heron's formula for class 9. Now to begin with, let us have a brief introduction of what this chapter is all about. Heron's formula was founded by Greek mathematician called Hero in the year 1680. This formula is used to calculate the area of the triangle using just three sides length of it. Therefore, we do not have to rely on the formula for calculating area of a triangle half into base into height. In summary, we have two formula to calculating the area of any given triangle, which are first one is half into base into height and the second one by the Heron's formula. Now, moving further, why we need Heron's formula? This formula can be used for calculate the area of a scalene triangle. A triangle whose all sides are unequal and hence its height does not exist definitely. Therefore, for scalene triangle, we cannot use the formula half into base into height for calculating the area of a triangle. Now, what is Heron's formula and how it is given? This formula is written as under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b and c are the respective length measures of the triangle ABC. S is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. This S is called the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC, whose side lengths is A, B and C respectively. Now, this is all about what Heron's formula is. Now let us move further and apply Heron's formula in application. To find the area of a triangle, this formula is very easy to find the area. Now, Heron's formula is also used in calculating the area of quadrilaterals whose sides are given to us and one of the diagonals is also mentioned. Now, here are some applications of this formula. This formula is very helpful where it is not possible to find the height of a triangle. Importance of this formula. There are just many figures that specifies the length and their area is to be found. Sometimes on the basis of perimeter just we need to find the area of all the types of triangle can find their area with this formula. Also, sometimes quadrilaterals are bisected and their area is to be found. At that same time, we can use this Heron's formula. We should first divide the quadrilaterals and then we should find the area. All quadrilaterals area can be found by this formula. Derivation of Heron's formula. See derivations of Heron's formula. Now, moving further and understanding how the area of an equilateral triangle is formulated using Heron's formula. For recap purpose, an equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all sides measurement is same. Now in this figure, we can see that This is an equilateral triangle. Since the measure of each side is A. Now calculating the area of an equilateral triangle, we shall prove it that the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 square upon 4, where A is the side measurement. Again we use Heron's formula. Now after calculating, we get the area of a equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 square. Now let us take an example. Find the area of a triangle having sides 4, 3, 5. Given sides are A is 4 cm, B is 3 cm, C is equal to 5 cm. Now put this value in Heron's formula. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here S is equal to 6 cm. Putting this value in the formula, we get area of triangle ABC is equal to 6 cm. Let us take another example. Rahul has a garden which is triangular in shape. The side of the garden are 13 meter, 14 meter and 15 meter respectively. He wants to spread fertilizer in the garden and the total cost required for doing it is rupees 10 per meter square. He is wondering how much money will be required to spread the fertilizer in the garden. Given A is equal to 13 meter, B is equal to 14 meter, C is equal to 15 meter. So we will find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Putting all these values, we get S is equal to 21 meter. Now putting the values A, B, C and S in the formula, we get area of the garden is equal to 84 centimeter. Given the rate is rupees 10 per square meter. Therefore total cost is 10 into 84 is equal to 840 rupees. Now let us take another example. Find the area of quadrilaterals ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC 4 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, DA 5 cm, AC 5 cm. This one. Area of triangle ABC. We can easily find out the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. Also, again we can find the area of triangle ACD by Heron's formula. The area of triangle ABC is equal to 6 cm. Area of triangle ACD is equal to 9.2 cm. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral ABCD, by adding these two, we get 15.2 centimeter square. So we can say that area of triangle with its side as A, B and C is calculated by using Heron's formula. A is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Also, we know area of a quadrilateral whose sides and one diagonal are given can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangle and using the Heron's formula. Thank you. Hence, using the Heron's formula, we have derived the area of a equilateral triangle. This all completes the application of Heron's formula. Thank you.